We are looking at what remains of the Eastern Temple to the Great Pyramid. Behind me is the black basalt pavement. Okay, I will now show you a saw blade mark on one of these basalt pieces. Now, the saw blade would have been made out of arsenical copper, and an abrasive slurry would have been used to cut this hard basalt. Arsenical copper is an incredibly strong alloy. Now the blade would have been made of arsenical copper, which is an incredibly strong alloy, and an abrasive slurry would have been used.